Thanks, Brian. Right now, a 68-year-old Tennessee native is currently embarking on the journey of a lifetime. Pastor Chick McGill is currently walking across the United States. His journey started on April 23rd in Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. His plan is to walk all the way to Santa Monica, California, and arrive sometime in late March or early April. His journey is taking him through Texas Panhandle. So far, to date, he has walked about 2,000 miles. He even carries with him the American flag. The Vietnam veteran says the purpose is to help promote a new birth of freedom and integrity in the United States.
It's very popular these days for veterans to walk across the country for veterans' causes. I am a veteran. I'm a Vietnam War veteran, but I'm a minister, and I've been in the ministry about 27 years, and I have seen America in a better shape than it is now.
Now, once Pastor Chick completes the walk, he will become the oldest veteran in history to make the 3,200-mile trek from coast to coast.